Hi guys, I hope you're well. This is your girl Ngigi's daughter. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, many thanks. So guys, leo ni siku ya kwenda home. So yeah, we're about to check out from our hotel. Yes, and head to Moi International Airport. So yeah. So guys, I wish I would show you my outfit, yeah, but Joe, let me try and see whether I'll be able to show you that. So yeah, tunaona huko mbele kwa ndege. So yeah, bye guys. So yeah, this is my outfit, guys. Yep. Yeah. And this maxi dress. And some sandals. Sasa sijui kama nimeziwahi. So yeah, that's the way I'm gonna show up huko kwa airport. Nitawakilisha huko. So yeah, see you guys. I'll show you everything, guys. Bye. Nanti tiene kidogo. Hi guys, naona kupanda ndege guys. Hope this time round starts doing. The first time I scrapped, so the time round at least they have a company theater screen. So yeah, yes. Yeah, please. Thank you. So it's gonna be mpaka sijasave tena. So guys, niko ndani ya ndege guys. Today I'm not scared, at least yet. I have company. The first time I was alone, I screamed. Hiyo time ya kuland, manze. Nilipika ndu. So today, nitaambia experience. Yes. So guys, we are praying for a safe journey. So I'll see you then. Bye guys.
I'd like to ask for your attention, even if you are a frequent traveler.
Next. Please be careful if you open the bag, as a bag may fall out. You'll need to fasten your seatbelt for takeoff. To fasten it, push the metal tab into the buckle like this and adjust to fit. To open, lift the buckle like this. If you're travelling with an infant on your lap, we have special seatbelts and your crew will help you to fit them. Seatbelts must be fastened at all times when the seatbelt signs are switched off. We do, however, recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times when you are seated. Should you be sleeping, we kindly request that you keep it fastened on top of your blanket to avoid being woken by crew performing their safety duties. In the unlikely event that the cabin air supply fails, oxygen masks will drop down automatically. If you see this mask appear, you should remain seated. Pull the mask sharply downwards to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask on over your nose and mouth, securing it with the elastic headband, and breathe normally. An extra mask is provided for those travelling with an infant. Fit your own mask first, before helping others. You will find
Mabibi na mabwana, karibuni Nairobi. Huu ni uwanja wa kimataifa wa Jomo Kenyatta. Hapa ndipo tumefika mwisho wa safari yetu kutoka Mombasa. Tumaini kuwa nyote mmefurahia.